I don't know how we're ever going to move back to land. We're so spoiled with life on the water, and to get to live in these amazing places is just incredible. That's what I love about this lifestyle. This is our boat Privateer. We're on a Krogen 52, and we had her commissioned 5 years ago, and we've been living aboard ever since.
We've owned a bunch of boats, and this is the first time we didn't lust after a different boat.
That's true. I love the fact that we get to visit amazing places and we never have to pack a suitcase. It might be Key West, it might be the Bahamas, it might be Turks and Caicos. We're so self-sufficient. Everything I need is right here on board. So this is our salon. We have our nice big comfortable chairs here. This table opens up so we can have a nice big group around the table. We love our galley. I feel like it's really big for a boat, and we also feel like we have loads of counter space. We have 2 refrigerator drawers here. Here's our freezer drawers. And then we also have a dishwasher. If we head down these 3 steps, we'll be down at the stateroom level. This pulls out. There's a blackout curtain that hangs here. There's a shelf that drops down here. So this is a nice little convertible area when we need it. This is our guest stateroom as you come on down the hallway. We have a queen size bed in there. This is our washer dryer right here. And then as you come on further back, you're in the master stateroom. We have a king size bed, we have a dresser, we have our closet spaces, and then we also have our head. So it makes it really comfortable on board.
It has twin John Deere engines. They're each 125 horsepower. Fuel tanks on both sides. We have about 1,300 gallons of fuel, and it'll give us a range of 3,000 to 5,000 miles. So normally we go to the Bahamas every year. We fuel up in the States before we leave, and we don't have to buy fuel again until we get back to the States. We pretty much do most all our own maintenance. The engines have been excellent. We've had no issues at all. Welcome to Privateer's helm. Of course, we spend most of our time up here when we're driving the boat. The design of the boat gives plenty of room for today's modern displays, and what we really like is we have dual helm seats. Most of the time when we're traveling, Lisa's over here helping me navigate, and it works out really well.
I love the Flybridge. The view up there is just gorgeous.
We drive from up here in nice weather, and it's also our party space in the evenings. We have happy hour up here because the view is so good.
There's nothing that I want for on this boat. That's what makes me feel so at home. Our sons are both recent college graduates, and even though they're off on their own adult lives now, to still get to spend time together on the water is awesome. We have an awesome waterfront condo wherever we go. We got it just the way we wanted it. I love it.